Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project that name is Edgecoin. Edgecoin is a secure global payment system. You can also start the stacks on the Edgecoin and you will receive almost 34% great coin. So it's a DeFi fluctuation coin. Just click on the stack now and you are directly going to here. And guys, the edge coin price is almost 1 USD and the total edge minted is almost 4 crore 46 lakh 83,146 edge coin. And guys, its wallets created is almost 1 lakh 8,000 and its average mint size almost 28,548 edge. Its the ad contract is this and the grade contract is almost this. So guys, this is the total logged value, and just connect your wallet here, and then after that you are going to stack the edge coin. Just put your amount here and start stacking of the edge coin. These are the questions you can ask frequently, and just click on what is great coin. So click on this question and you will see the answer below. It's a great coin is our DeFi fluctuating reward token that you automatically stack shares in whitelist holding Edgecoin. And these are the other questions, and just click on that and you will see the answer of that question. So guys, if you are going to down, so this is the mobile app which is coming soon. So it's a world first educational digital stable coin payment system, and it will come in almost 10 days and 19 hours and 52 minutes. You will get it on the Google Play and also on App Store. So guys, now we are going to know about the Edgecoin. So what is Edgecoin? Edgecoin is the world first educational stable coin that provides an open payment system for an educational institution where individuals can make education related transactions such as enrollment fees, accommodation, books, and all educational spending via a decentralized application to be settled at the same speed at the same internet, while making full use of the education infrastructure, regulation, and stability of traditional finance process systems. So guys, you can also read more about here about the project. So guys, you can also install and register. So install and register on Edgecoin mobile app, and you can purchase the coin through that app. So use your Edgecoin smartly, taking payment to the edge. And guys, why choose the Edgecoin? So it's an instant transaction, it's a world first educational stable coin global system, and secure automatically stack great coin while holding Edgecoin. If you are going to buy the Edgecoin and hold that, so you will earn automatically through stacking the great coin. And guys, it's a reduced cost. So Edgecoin price and market state. So the name is Edgecoin and the abbreviation is EDGT. Type of token is stable coin, and one EDGT value coin is almost 1 USD, and the total supply is almost this. So you can buy Edgecoin easily. Just click on that, and 1 EDGT coin is almost 1 USD. I already told that. So guys, this is the Edgecoin distribution. So 1 EDGT price is almost 1 USD, and the 10 billion market cap, and it's almost 150 million token sales, 10 billion Edge tokens. And in EDGT token distribution, it almost 40% token for users, 10% for tokens are for developers, and almost 20% is a team and advisors, and 30% is almost stakeholders. So guys, this is the GRTC fund distribution. 1 GRTC is equal to 0.20 USD. Its market cap is 10 billion, and the great token is almost 10 billion. And in GRTC token distribution is almost 40% token for users, 10% for developers, and 20% for team and advisors, and 30% for stakeholders. So guys, the price is EGDT coin is almost 1 USD, and its Edge coin user is almost 1,08,000 plus, and supported country is almost 320. And this is the guys of roadmap of the Edge coin. So our strategy and project plan is almost Q1 in 2017 the project idea, and in Q2 and 3 2017 project topic research, and guys in Q4 in 2019 start pro of concept development on private network, and Q1 in 2020 it's almost white paper and web app development. And guys in 2020 smart contract and token creation on Stellar network. And in Q3 and 4 Edgecoin was successfully launched, and in Q2 and Q3 2021 app release and great coin drop, sister coin of Edgecoin. So guys, this is the team of the Edgecoin, and they are so professional. So guys, you can read more about the team of the Edgecoin, and you can also contact with them through the LinkedIn. These are the links for the team of the Edgecoin. And guys, these are partner and supporters of the Edgecoin. It's a coin market cap, and guys, it's a Probit exchange. Probit exchange, the world best exchange, and XBit, and it's a Siemens. So guys, just click on more and you will know more about that. So just click on the more option, which is down to the Probit, and you will just directly come here. So guys, these are the info about the Edgecoin, and you will see the Edge SBTC, and it's a trading pair, and Edge and USDT. So the deposit starts from November 13 2020, and the trading starts from November 13 2020. So guys, if you want to buy the Edgecoin now at this time, so you can buy that. So the Probit exchange link in the description, just click on that, sign up, and you can buy easily the Edgecoin now. So guys, this is a pair of the Edgecoin on Probit exchange. It's EDGT at USDT. So the price of the Edgecoin is very good. It's almost 0.941. so you can buy easily from here. Just send the USDT or BTC here, and just click on the 100% option, and your all amount will come out here, and you will see the total amount of tokens you can easily buy here from. Just click on the buy option. And guys, you can also buy through the BTC. So this is the BTC option, and this is the USDT. So guys, this is the white paper. You can also read the white paper of the Edgecoin. So just click on the open white paper, and you can read easily the white paper here. And guys, the FAQ, so you can also know about the Edgecoin here in detail. And guys, this is the news, and you can also read the news about this project. And this is the contact, so you can also contact with them easily. Just put it your name, email, website, and just message, and click on submit message, and they will contact you soon as possible. And this is the social link. You can also contact with them through these social links. Guys, we also have a bounty of the Edgecoin. So this is the bounty of the Edgecoin, and these are terms and conditions. So guys, you must to read the terms and condition of this bounty, and you must to join the Telegram group and channel. So guys, this is the proof of authentication. Just put your Stellar address, email, and campaign which you are going to be applied. Like this is the reward allocation, like content creation campaign, it's almost 35%, Twitter 20%, and Telegram 15%, Instagram 10%, Facebook 10%, and in reserve funds they are going to reach almost 10%. Just put it the campaign applied for, like Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, which you are going to apply. And guys, these are the report dates. So this is the first week which are going to be start in 5/7 11/7. In the spreadsheet, in content creation, one participant just upload 2 articles per one participant in the campaign. And if you are going to apply for the videos, so just you are going to apply 2 videos per one participant. And if your video is good, then you will get almost 1 to 10 stacks. In artwork, you are just going to apply for the 5 artwork per one participant. Guys, minimum 500 words at least you are going to be write an article. And it's they are going to be, it's a unique, and they are going to be check the plagiarism. And guys, this is the local language, they are going to allow the local language also. So you must be a native speaker, and a Google translator is prohibited. So just read out more info here. And guys, you must to fill the form to participate in this campaign. So this is the form, guys. It's article, videos and artwork campaign. Just put it your forum username, forum authentication, post link, art or video or article link here. And this is the follower, how many followers you have. And this is the Telegram. Just put your Telegram username, it's the email. And at the end you are going to put the ETH wallet address, and just click on the submit option, and you are going to participate in this campaign. So guys, in the Twitter campaign, you will get a good amount of stacks. So if you have good amount of readers, so just follow their page, and you have must to at least 200 followers. And guys, you must to use these hashtags and in the post, which are going to at least 100 characters. And guys, this is the form, you must to fill the form. And this is the weekly report. So just put it the week, like week 1, 2 or 3. And just Twitter, put it your Twitter profile link, and then retweet links, and then tweets links. And guys, this is the Telegram campaign, you will get a good amount of stacks. So if you are going to put the comments, so maximum 10 comments per 1 week, and you will get good stacks. One comment is equal to 1 stacks, and 20 stacks for setting name and avatar, 1 time stacks. So guys, this is avatar, and you must to fill the form if you want to join the Telegram campaign. And guys, in the Instagram campaign, if you have good amount of subscribers, then you will get good amount of stacks here also. This is the form, you must to fill the form to participate in the campaign. This is the weekly report. And in the Facebook campaign, if you have good amount of friends, then you will get good amount of stacks here also. Just follow the Facebook page, and you must to make 5 posts and 5 shares per week. And post must contain text almost 100 characters, and you must to use this hashtag. And guys, this is the form, you must to fill the form. And this is a guys weekly report. So if you have any type of question about this project, then you can ask. I hope you like the video. See you, bye bye.